Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to add a left sidebar menu for tablet and mobile views using a pop-up in WordPress. This is a great way to improve navigation and user experience on smaller devices. So first let me show you what I am talking about. Resize the page and that's the mobile view, and when I click here on the navigation menu, and that's the menu for mobile view and also tablet view. That's the menu. So how to do that? First of all, go to your website and log into your WordPress dashboard, and from the left hand menu navigate to templates and click on pop-ups. After that, that's the interface that will be shown, and then click here on add new template and select from here pop-up and give it a name, and then click on create template and go to the setting, give it a width of like 300 instead of 300, 350, and select its height to fit to screen. Select the entrance animation. Entrance animation would be giving a background color. Then it's time to add a navigation menu to this section. So for that, click on the plus icon and then search here navigation menu, drag and drop it to this section. From here select your menu and select its layout from horizontal to vertical and align it left hand side, and its pointer is like this thing. When I hover on it, pointer underline is fine, but animation it like grow this thing, and I do not want to add any breakpoint, so for that select none. And now it's time to give it a font. Also adjust this green color. So from typography, search this font family. I think it's not in Elementor, and you can give it any font family according to your website. And after that give it a size 14 and give it a weight 600 is fine. Now give it a color, this font color. When I hover on it, I do not want any green text, so for that I need a slight change when I hover on it. So I think this color is fine. Also give it the pointer color. Instead of that, it would be this color, and I do not want this pointer width, so for that just give it a width like that, and now everything is fine. And now I want to add another section, so click here, just simply drag it at the bottom of the first section. I want to add a button here, so for that click here on the plus icon and select the button, and instead of click here change its text to like that, and change its font family and color to I want it center, and typography give it a color now, and when I hover on it, like that. I do not want to give it any like a border color or like border. Give it a padding, add a heading here, to show contact number and email. So for that, search here heading and drag it to this section below that button. Give it a title. Add any random number. In my case, I am giving her any random number. To make a link, like when user click here, they directly call us on this number. So for that, just copy your phone number, type TEL colon and then paste this number, but do not add a plus here. And now it's a link. Go to the style tab and make it center. Instead of this color, I want to make it like white, but before that I think I have to give it a background color so that this text will be visible to us. Go to the advanced tab and search background, and from here choose a background color. Then go back to the style tab and give it a typography. And now one more thing, give it a padding at the top and bottom. Duplicate this section, add an email here, and to make a link, go to the link tab and type here mail to colon this thing, and now it's a link to the this advanced tab, and unlink and just give it a negative margin at the top like that. And now our pop-up is ready. Click on publish. Instead of add any condition, click here on save and close. So now our pop-up is ready. Now we need to add a button or link to trigger the pop-up, like when I click on the navigation icon, that this pop-up will be shown. So for that, go to the header and click on edit, and after that you see this section. So what I did here, I just simply duplicate this section, like this entire section. I do not want any like top bar for mobile and tablet view, so for that just remove like that. And I do not need this navigation menu and also this button. Just simply I need two column here, one for the site logo and the other for this icon. So click on plus icon and search here icon, drag it to this section, go to the icon library and search here align, select any icon for navigation. So I want to suppose I want to add this navigation icon, insert and go to the style tab and change its color, alignment center, but instead of center right is fine, and give it a primary color to into this, and when I hover on it, this color, and then give it a size of, I want to show this thing only just to tablet and for the mobile view. So for that I only want to show this section to the tablet and mobile view. So for that, click here on the section, go to the advanced tab, search the option responsive and click here on hide on desktop, and this section will not be visible on the desktop, but it would be only visible to tablet and for the mobile view. So go to the tablet view, and to see how this will looks like in our tablet view. So that's the real header for my mobile and tablet view, but in your case I want to show you again. So for that I will later delete this thing, but now I want to show you how to add and how to edit this thing for the tablet and mobile view. Adjust its size like 30, select its alignment right. Now after adjusting the site logo width and this icon width, go to the content. Now it's time to add a link to trigger the pop-up, and you can add this to your website's header, footer or any other location you prefer. And but in my case we are going to add this to make it a smoother navigation, to improve navigation and user experience on smaller devices. So for that, click here on the link section, or click here on dynamic tags and search the pop-up and click plus here and select your pop-up, add pop-up here, then click here on the update, go to your website, go to the inspect, click here on toggle devices toolbar. So that's the header that would be visible on laptop, and on tablet view that's the header, and that's the pop-up now we have added. So for mobile view, you have successfully added a left sidebar menu for tablet and mobile views using a pop-up in WordPress. The simple customization can greatly improve the user experience on smaller devices. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.